Hey, I know I haven't posted in like 30 years, and I'm here now, and I'm sick, and they're, oh my god, freaking nasty. I didn't pick my nose, I scratched my nose, and as you can see, there's some changes, like I dyed my hair. It was purple, I look like Grimace, and then I have braces, and I moved, so I have a new room. I have not decorated it, but I gotta get to on that. Anyways, I'm just gonna jump into the part where I called her, because my intro was really bad. Oh yeah, because my friend is teaching me Korean. Oh, there we go.
Sorry to talk.
Hi, are you still gonna teach me Korean?
You didn't show me your intro, so I don't know.
My intro? I literally just finished cleaning.
You finished breathing?
Cleaning!
Oh, they're gonna like film or whatever.
I'll do my intro later. Teach me Korean.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
I'm not just Korean.
What do you mean you're not gonna teach me Korean? I thought that was the deal. What? Hello?
You want me to teach you how to count?
Yeah, you're gonna teach me how to count in Korean.
Okay. You're rude.
Me?
Yes, you hung up with me.
No, I did not hang up. My tablet's on crack and it freaking clicked on its own.
Okay.
No, I didn't click on you for real. It's like I did it.
What are you drinking? Beer? Scandalous.
What? No, it's Arizona tea.
Even worse.
No, I'm not an alcoholic like you are.
I am not an alcoholic. Be quiet. Okay, so one is kind of...
No wonder you have all these mental breakdowns, dyeing your hair every 2 months. Every month.
It's because I'm on crack. That's not because I'm drunk.
So you're a drug addict? You're admitting you're a drug addict?
To coffee, yeah.
Alright, whatever. You guys want to know something? I've lost 10 pounds since I got my braces.
Really?
Yeah.
They only lost like 2.
Bitch, I know, I got fatter, like, since I last posted a video. I was, like, at 210, like, a month ago. And then 2 weeks later, after my braces, I'm not 200. But it wasn't all just fat. Like, I used to run around the LA Marathon. Oh, shit, I should prove it. No, I'm not gonna prove it. Just take my word. And it was all muscle, obviously, because my legs are muscular. And you know, because we thick and fat. No. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna shave my head off.
Do it.
Do it. You fucking peer pressure, bitch. Like, you always tell me to do shit.
You've been talking about shit now. Don't come at me. I'm doing this, okay? Whatever.
You're supposed to say don't do it, because you're gonna look like a kiwi again.
Well, then, I'm not coming to tell you, sis. Like, if I say no, like, okay, whatever.
I would have taken your word for it and never done it. I used to get compared to the thumbs from freaking Spy Kids.
There would be no difference. It would have been an extra.
Shut up. I used to get called Kiwi, the thumbs from Spy Kids. What else? Someone thought it was a cholo once. My friend thought I was a cholo. And then she heard me present in front of everyone, and she's like, nah, he ain't. My voice gives it all away. Doesn't it narrate?
Yeah.
Crack it hour. It's actually not even crack it hour. It's still... Oh, wait, no, it's 10.
It's almost crack it hours.
It's almost crack... We're almost at our peak.
Yeah. Maybe that's why I'm getting so much energy right now. Like,
Oh, also, we had a sleepover at our house. The same three of us. Narita, no, sorry, Big Mac, Juliana, and me.
Stop.
And she literally was screaming till 5 in the morning because she thought there was a skinwalker in her room.
No, I did not. I was trying to scare Juliana.
Sure you were, but
Like,
you were
legit,
like,
I was trying to scare Juliana.
Sure. We were on Omegle before that, and that didn't
Oh,
go
so I
well.
didn't want to talk about it.
If you don't know what Omegle is, I'm pretty sure you do. It's a place where you can chat to strangers. And some guy was like, "You want to see a magic trick?" And he showed us one, and we were like, "Oh yeah, boo." And he was like, "You want to see another one?" And he pulls out his wee. And we were like, "All right, next person." But we met some nice people too from Australia and London.
Oh yeah, from New Zealand, the one.
Oh yeah, New Zealand, not Australia.
Auckland.
It's spoopy time, sis. It's Friday the 13th. It's not October, but it's September.
You should watch Obey the Walrus again.
I watched it the other day with Ashley, and we were just laughing instead of scared.
I can't believe you like made fun of like that person who was just trying to live his best life. Oh my god.
That shit was scary.
Like, you were laughing hard, and like you were like making fun of it. Like, I was like, okay, like.
You were laughing too, bitch.
You were laughing.
You were.
And also because Juliana was scared.
You were.
She like hit her head. She was like, turn it off, Verena, turn it off. Both of you were. You're like, ah.
No, it was for the other one. Not Obey the Walrus. But then you played it again. Then we were like, don't play it again. Yeah. Those are crackhead friendships. And we love it. Also, I have no decorations up. Here, I'll give you a little sneak tour of frick. I don't know how to switch this. Alright, look. There's my Virgin Mary. Here's my calendar. I literally barely use it. See, I'm still on September 3rd, and we're in September 13th. I'm 10 days behind. Oh yeah, I don't have a tripod. I've never had a tripod, and so I use books. So we still thrive. There's my candle, my Google Home. And I have lighting. I actually do have lighting. There's my bed. It's a little messy. Yeah, that's it. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. I'll call you back later, Narita.
Alright.
I literally will. Don't worry, I will. I'm not. I'm probably gonna forget.
Bye-bye.
I'm sorry, I'm such a mess. Oh my god, you guys. I just remembered. Before I went on like my big ass break, that it doesn't really count because I posted like 3 videos and then never posted again. I had pre-made a whole conspiracy theory video, and I never filmed it or edited it because I mean obviously I can't edit if I haven't filmed it. So maybe I'll do that. I'll do that because it's Spoopy September. It's like Friday the 13th, and it's September. All right, you guys. I don't know how to end shit. I don't know how to start shit. I know how to write body paragraphs. I mean, oh my god, I'm so fat. Anyways, it was nice to be back. I feel like a crackhead.